Hi guys, it's reaction time. Before we get onto the reaction, a huge shout out to the band Atlas. British prog AOR band sent me this t-shirt only yesterday. Thank you so much to the band for that. They've got an album coming out called Built to Last on October the 20th. Check the band out, did a reaction, I think last week or the week before. Sound like it's going to be a great album. Thank you to the band for sending me that. Okay, so reactions. So yesterday was just full up. You're going to see loads of reactions going out from yesterday and today, which is Sunday. We've got the rest of them to do. It's been a mad week for reactions. Bit of my own fault. I should keep up more, but man, I've left myself with something to do. So I do apologise also to anyone who's asked for any reactions and I can't get round to them. I just can't do them all. But thank you also, and keep asking please guys. So Skull and Crossbones, Nature's Legacy, covered a track of these guys the other day. I think it was Sungazer. That was absolutely fantastic. This band are a metal band. They got a melodic hard rock metal. They've got an album coming out called Sungazer on the 8th of September via Massacre Records. Without further ado, there's loads to do. Let's do this. Here we go. What a way to start off Sunday morning, man. It's 8:45. A lovely bit of metal to start off the day. Absolutely excellent. First of all, love the guitar work. I mean, some brilliant, like, squealing parts and riffing as well. Absolutely love the guitar work, and that's what I loved about the last song as well. Just well high up in the mix. Loads of different stuff going on. I mean, the galloping almost like that really slow galloping chorus. I love the way it came to a standstill with that tribal type drumming, the way I love that, absolutely love that chorus, man. I've actually been reading the lyrics, and anyone who knows who watches my channel will know I never really dive into lyrics so much, but I did say I was going to try. I haven't succeeded very well either, but lyrically, it's almost like, it feels like it's talking about the occult and that sort of, the link with nature and stuff like that as well. But almost, I think it's almost like saying, you know, if you're different, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it and about being different. It's not a bad thing. So, you know, to sometimes people that are different, this is how I see it anyway. And the best lyrics usually are abstract and you've got to make your own mind up. But the way I see it in general is that it's saying, you know, if you're different, it's a good thing, you know, and if people can't, you know, get along with who you are, don't worry about it, be yourself. That's how it feels to me. That's a good thing. That's a good thing how I'm looking into lyrics for a start. But I love the lyrics as well. They're very, you know, they almost are very, they hit home and they can relate to a lot of people, I think. I love it. I really love the groove of this song. I think the groove in the verses, the way it's sort of almost got that priesty accept sort of feel in the way the groove's going along with the riffing and the sort of squealing guitars. I love the verses. And I love the way it builds up to the chorus. And like I said, that chorus, that sort of slow gallop and the way it's sort of... Love that. Absolutely love it. This guy's voice, man. I mean, fuck me, he can hit some heights. And he don't fuck around. He didn't do it in the last song either. From the off, he's like hitting those high-end notes. You know what I mean? He's got one of those natural high vocals, you know, like Tony Harnell type, you know, they can just sing. That's the way they sing. Naturally gifted, obviously. Just amazing stuff, man. But proper metal, I did say at the beginning, it's a metal band, melodic hard rock. I would say they're more geared towards metal, you know. They've got the galloping riffs, they've got the squealing guitars. It's so melodic, though. It's really, really melodic, really catchy. Straight out of the gate, brilliant stuff. Absolutely brilliant. Love everything about it. A few people have actually asked for this song, but I already had it on the list to do this week. But it just shows you that people have, I think I've had a few subscribers, you know, message me and have you heard the new Skull and Crossbones song? It's great. And I'm like, yeah, that's on my list. So, you know, they're getting out there, which is a great thing. And I love that. I love it when bands are getting noticed. So very cool indeed. I can't wait to hear the rest of this. The guitar playing has been fantastic. Let's see what's going to happen in the solo. I almost like, I know this sounds ridiculous. I do appreciate when bands do, I really appreciate when they do videos, but if they don't do a video, they do a lyric video or just audio, it does make me concentrate a little bit more on everything. So perhaps I should do more, you know, do more audio listens. I don't know, but watching a video at the same time, I'm a man. I can't do too much at the same time. You guys know that. Anyway, here we go for the rest. Absolutely fantastic so far. think I remember on the first song, I think as the song went on and on, it got better and better. The same here as well. The second half was epic. The way it died down almost into a sort of Maiden-esque quiet bit. And then the guitars came in. I think there's some twin lead there. Then it built up and built up and built up into the great solo. And then obviously that galloping, slow galloping sort of chorus turned into a fast chorus at the end, almost giving me a sort of a dark power metal feel. I loved it. I absolutely loved it, man. Fantastic song. What a way to start off the reactions of the day. Brilliant, brilliant. Thanks for everyone who asked for that. Excellent song. Skull on Crossbones, Nature's Legacy. Remember, guys, the album is called Sungazer and it's coming out on the 8th of September. By the way, just a little bit of advice for you. Don't gaze at the sun. It's not good for your eyes. So, you know, remember Iridium Rock and Metal Reviews gave you some good advice there. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below and I'll see you soon.